Best known for their power and battery charging related accessories, RAVPower have decided to take advantage of the gumstick sized M2 SSDs available nowadays with their own external SSD solution, conveniently named the RAVPower Portable SSD. Portable SSDs are not only faster, smaller and lighter than a traditional hard drive, they're also far more reliable due to a lack of moving parts. Prohibitively expensive when they first hit the market, like everything else in technology, the price has dropped dramatically over time, and that's where the RAVPower Portable SSD comes in. This tiny, lightweight gadget has a recommended retail of under $100 for half a terabyte of speedy storage that fits in your pocket, takes bumps and drops in its stride, and works with desktop and some mobile devices too. Available in capacities of 512GB and this 1TB I have here, the RAVPower Portable SSD is definitely portable. At just over 10cm on its longest side and weighing in at a measly 38 grams, few drives come more portable than this. Portable drives aren't the most complex of accessories, and that's the case here as well. With some branding across the top, we otherwise only have a single USB-C port on one end alongside a status LED, and nothing else on the device at all. While the top of the drive carries a matte finish, the bottom is glossy, although fortunately it doesn't attract fingerprints, so it remains clean and looking sharp. The lack of moving parts makes this SSD pretty durable by default, and it's rated to handle drops of at least a meter. Saying that, it's not dust or water resistant however, so if you're after a drive that can handle more extreme conditions, then you'll want to look elsewhere. Saying that, the unit does come complete with a handy storage and transportation pouch, alongside both USB-C and USB Type-A cables for compatibility with a large range of devices. Connecting to a computer, we note that the drive comes complete with a soft version of the user guide, as well as Windows and a Mac version of RAVPower's encryption software. Although moving straight to a speed test using Blackmagic's disk speed test software, I was left a little underwhelmed with the results. Don't get me wrong, the speeds we see here are certainly faster than any physical spinning disk by far, although not anywhere near the limitations of the USB-C Gen 3 interface though, which I personally expect from most drives these days. Nevertheless, moving files back and forward to the device remained reasonably quick, perfectly adequate for general data storage, backing up your photos for instance while on the move. To be fair, it'll even handle general photo or video editing too. Although do bear in mind when the drive is over around 3/4 full, write speed will drop quite drastically, more than 50% in some cases. Read speeds, thankfully, aren't affected. Given the size, features and price, and backed by a 2-year warranty from a well-known manufacturer, the RAVPower Portable SSD is an attractive prospect for anyone who needs extra portable storage. Low weight, good durability and easy encryption makes this an obvious choice for travelers, although I did expect faster read and write speeds, which do let the otherwise good drive down somewhat. If you're prepared to spend just a touch more, you will find some faster drives out there, especially considering the RAVPower SSD falls around the Samsung T7 territory. In fact, the SanDisk Extreme is even cheaper. Yes, it's a slightly larger size drive, but it's also a lot faster too.